every April, I follow the same ritual. I gather sassafras roots. Sassafras was the original root that Hires used for its root beer. Once you smell it, you'll understand why. This native tree is a relative of cinnamon and as American as apple pie. It was so important that it was the first export from the American colonies to Europe. It grows in lightly forested areas and on the edges of fields. Where there's one, there's usually many more, as they grow in groups. Root tea needs to be boiled to bring out its best flavor. I like to make a large batch, so I'll have enough to mix with other teas. Place the washed roots in 8 cups water and simmer for about 10 to 20 minutes. The longer they cook, the stronger the tea. You could drink it hot or cold. After the tea is done, I remove the roots with a slotted spoon. Then I add sweetener to taste, usually maple syrup. I like it not so sweet, so I add maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. One of the nice things about sassafras tea is that you can reuse the roots over and over again, as long as you dry them so they don't get moldy. I usually put them in the sun or inside on a tray in a cool place to let them dry out. There's a controversy about sassafras tea. Lab rats that were fed astronomical amounts of saffrole, an oil found in sassafras, developed cancerous cells. But saffrole is largely insoluble in water, so how can it be extracted in tea? Since people have enjoyed this drink for many years without adverse effects, I feel sassafras is safe in moderation. By far the easiest way to identify sassafras is by its leaves. It has 4 different kinds of leaves, all on one tree. It has an oval, a 3-fingered glove, a left-handed mitten, and a right-handed mitten. Collect them in early June when they are young and fresh. Down south, chefs sprinkle filet powder, which is nothing more than dried and powdered sassafras leaves, on soups just before serving. I make my own filet powder by putting these leaves on this pan to dry. Then I'll powder them. I store the powder in a shaker so it'll be ready when I need it.